Hello lovers of change, welcome back to this channel. Your relationship with yourself and with others can profoundly impact your personal growth, finances, or any other goal you're working towards. When your relationships suffer, it affects your ability to show up 100% on the things that really matter to you. And that's why nurturing your relationship is a key to success in any area of your life. In this video, I'm sharing 10 powerful relationship tips that works across all relationship types, whether it's with a partner, friend, family, or colleagues. These tips are not only rooted in personal experience, but also based on my observation and interviews with over 100 marriages that have survived 30, 40, and even 50 years of joy and connection. The wisdom they shared has transformed my understanding of what makes relationship thrive, and I'm excited to pass that to you. Let's dive in. And tip number 1. Clarify what's important to you and communicate it. To build a strong, meaningful relationship, it is crucial to first get clear on your values and what truly is important to you. When you know what you want for yourself and from others, you can apply it to yourself and also communicate same with others more clearly and concisely. Misunderstandings often arise from unspoken expectation. Whether it's in your personal or professional life, clarity leads to alignment. If you don't know what's important to you, you can't expect others to know either. Take time to get clear and then communicate openly and precisely. And our tip number 2, compliment people often. Compliments are like little deposits in a relationship's emotional bank account. A simple "I love you" every night before bed, or reminding your coworker how much their contributions matter, can make a world of difference. People need to feel valued, and consistent, heartfelt compliment reinforce that they matter. In the workplace, a compliment can build morale and increase productivity. At home, it strengthens your emotional connection. Remember, compliment costs nothing, but they can pay dividend in strengthening bonds. And our tip number 3, never stop dating. Whether you've been married for 5 years or 50, keep dating. Relationship doesn't get boring. People just stop putting in the effort. You have to nurture the relationship to keep the spark alive. Regular date nights, spontaneous weekend getaways, or even simple team building activity at work can create new and shared experiences. These moments become memories, and shared memories are what binds us together. Don't stop courting your partner, your friend, or even your colleagues. Stay curious about them and continually invest in creating joyful and meaningful experiences. Okay, a quick one. If you're enjoying this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Here, we provide top-tier life education to help you thrive, whether it's personal growth, financial success, or business strategy. Our goal is to equip you with everything you need to live your best life. And now back to the video. And our tip number 4, time doesn't heal relationship issues. It's a common myth that time heals all wounds. In relationship, time doesn't heal. It creates distance. If there's an issue, don't put off addressing it. The longer you wait, the more resentment can build, creating a gap that's hard to bridge. Difficult conversations may be uncomfortable, but they're essential for growth. Be proactive in communicating your concern. It's far better to face discomfort now than to let unspoken feelings fester. The sooner you clear the air, the sooner you can return to harmony. And our tip number 5, every relationship is a work in progress. There is no such thing as a perfect relationship, and that's okay. What matters is that both parties are committed to continuous improvement. Relationships are dynamic, they grow, evolve, and change over time. It is the mutual desire to learn about each other, to keep improving as individuals and as a unit, that creates a bond that can withstand life's ups and downs. So give yourself and others grace. Keep working at it, because the best relationships are those that are continuously nurtured. Tip number 6, keep doing the little things. The big gestures are nice, but it's the little things that truly count. A surprise note under the pillow, a text in the middle of the day, or bringing someone's favorite snack. It is the small, thoughtful act that reminds people that they are loved and appreciated. In the workplace, this could look like offering help on a project or acknowledging someone's hard work. Small, consistent efforts create lasting bond. It is not always about grand declaration, but about showing up in small, meaningful ways every day. Tip number 7. Always be quick to say I'm sorry. Apologizing when you've made a mistake or hurt someone is essential. An apology shows you value the relationship more than your ego. Most of the time, it's worth setting your pride aside to restore harmony. Apologies can heal, rebuild trust, and keep your relationship strong. Tip number 8. It won't always be 50-50. Sometimes relationship will feel uneven. Maybe one day you are given 90% and your partner is only given 10%. The other day is the reverse. That's okay. What matters is that it always adds up to 100. There will be seasons where one person has to carry more weight. The key is to be flexible and supportive, knowing that when the tables turn, they will be there for you too. It's the overall balance that counts, not the daily splits. And tip number 9. You can't argue your way to happiness. No one has ever won an argument and came out with a happy relationship. Instead of arguing, focus on solving problems together. When a challenge arises, treat it as a team issue, not a personal one. Healthy relationship, whether personal or professional, thrive on collaboration, not confrontation. Work towards solving problems together and you strengthen your bond instead of weakening it. And tip number 10. Don't sweat the small stuff. When something bothers you, ask yourself, will this matter in a month or in a year? If the answer is no, let it go. So many relationships are strained by insignificant issues that don't really matter in the long run. By keeping perspective, you can save yourself a lot of unnecessary frustrations and keep your relationship on a solid ground. At the end of the day, love is the answer, whether it's self-love, love for your partner, or love for a team. Choosing love in all its forms will guide you through the even toughest challenges. Remember, relationships are the backbone of a meaningful life, so treat them with care, nurture them with intention, and watch them flourish.